Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are all having an awesome day. If this is your first time visiting, thank you so much for clicking. So far this channel helps you not in learning German language in an interesting way, but also brings you the culture of Germany. And for today, you will be learning helping verbs of German, which is haben and sein. This is the most important and interesting part of grammar topic. But before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel, make sure you do that because we upload grammar topics and must needed information, knowledge about German language. And also hit the bell button so that you will have the immediate notification for what we do, and that too on every week. So let's just dive right into this week's video. Starting with the introduction, we will first understand what is haben and sein. So far you know already that these two words are the most important auxiliary verbs to learn because all your grammar are dependent on this verb. In these two helping verbs, haben comes first, which includes has and have of English. And the meaning of haben is to have. But how? You will be learning soon. Bringing the introduction of sein, the actual meaning of sein in English is to be. This verb consists of is, am and are in the conjugation. The same way we have has and have in haben. Hope you are now familiar with haben and sein meaning. We will now move on to their conjugation. And in the end, we'll do a short exercise, so stay tuned. Now let's see how to conjugate the verb step by step. Step 1. Here we have listed the subjects in singular and plural. I would recommend here to please repeat after me. First, let's go through their subjects. Here we have listed them in both English and German. I have. It is ich habe. You have. Du hast. In informal way. If we say he, she or it has, that means these are ihr, sie, es hat. Always remember, when we use these subjects, we have to add hat with them. Then the next subject here we having is we have, which is wir haben. Next comes you all have, which in German is ihr habt. They have. It is sie haben. And then we are having here you have. Let's suppose we are using this subject for our colleagues, superiors, which mean informal way. So then you have will be presented as sie haben. Always remember, in this subject S will be in capital while writing, otherwise your sentence will be incorrect. Now let's practice these verbs in sentence with the help of some examples so that you will be able to understand it clearly. Starting with the first example, let's go with the first subject, which is I have a ball. So as we have learned before in haben, we have has and have of English. That means here we are practicing haben conjugation. So the first sentence will be Ich habe einen Ball. Einen here is a. Ball will be written as it is, but the pronunciation will be different. Next example is you have a ball, which will be du hast einen Ball. See, this was informal sentence. That's why we have used du hast. How to predict whether the sentence is formal or informal, you will be learning in our upcoming video series. Moving on to our next example, we have learned that he, she, it has in German is er, sie, es hat. So if we say He has a ball, so the sentence will be Er hat einen Ball. Hope you are now be able to make rest sentence easily. Definitely the Sein conjugation are now easy for you to make because the method of making Sein sentences are same. So let's just learn Sein subject and then we'll move to the sentences. I am. Ich bin. You are. Du bist. He, she, it is. Er, sie, es ist. Then we have we are, which is wir sind. You all are. Ihr seid. They are. Sie sind. Last is you are, in formal way. With the same technique of applying capital S, it will be Sie sind. Now let's learn one more time with the help of example. The first example is Ich bin Peter. Always remember that this verb takes second place in a simple sentence. Here bin means am, which takes second place. Let's see few more examples. Sie ist Maria. She is Maria. Es ist ein Auto. It is a car. Sie sind Kinder. They are children. Very good. With all these examples, we have learned Sein conjugation with helping verbs. It's now time for some exercise. Danke. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them below as you will be answered positively. Till then, stay tuned and have a nice time ahead.